And this is the closest one to me. City Thrift. Thrift City, USA is the one in New Orleans that I went to previously. I don't know what it is about city and thrift and city and that being together as a conjunction for the title of a thrift store, but it works. Hey Bree, here.
Hey you guys.
So
Make
yeah,
sure you subscribe to my channel.
we're I'll put her stuff in the description, but I'm putting her on to the City Thrift. Look at her doing her thing. These people don't know how to act. These country folks don't know how to act. They just have the best graphic tees, and that's usually what I'm in the market for. I don't usually get pants just because it's harder to find. They're harder to find. What do you see?
Well,
This
I
is
love
nice.
flannels. And
That's
I love
nice.
the
I really like
color
this. Yeah.
scheme. And it's a
Dang,
gift.
see, I gotta hurry up and shop because Bree's gonna get everything from me. That's the only downside of coming to thrift stores with friends that actually know how to shop and know what to look for. Because then you gotta like rush to like beat them. Now we're on the hunt. I like words. I like all types of stuff, but literally what I do, y'all, is I just go through like this. But I go really fast. A lot of times it's gonna be like boom, nothing. Well, this was kind of hard. It's kind of tough.
Are you like athletic?
I like athletic stuff too, yeah. So this is what I've got. It's not too much stuff, but Bree here has gotten a lot. She's got a whole cart full. I'm getting a fisherman vibe. This is my Patagonia hat, but it fits with her, so I'm gonna have to give it to her. 2009 National Championships for Auburn, Alabama. You see, I don't care about the team, but that's one. This is really weird. I like shirts with Asian script. So I'm not a big Pokemon. I don't know what this is. I'm not a big Pokemon fan, but it was nice. I like to get red shirts. And then this is a cool polo. I don't know if I'm getting that for sure. I don't know if I'm getting any of this for sure, but I like this. I just want some polos for cheap. That's pretty cool. 4th of July has passed, so I'm kind of hesitant about getting that. And this is the front of this. And that's the back. I think that's really cool. So I think this is definitely one that I will get. And I'm a big Harry Potter fan. I have it tattooed on my arm. So, and then the back is like one of the most famous quotes from the book. Do not know who Gus is. And then this is really cool. It's giving Boy Meets World. Don't know if I'm gonna get it because it says Air American Eagle, but I like it. I like the look, and it was a nice material. So I forgot to mention these two. These are probably like the best things that I picked up today. But this hat, hard. And this hat, I really like NASCAR theme, like with the signature plus the font of the numbers that they always do is just super cool. If I had to change it, I wouldn't make it blue though, because it's a little obnoxious. But hey, this looks like it belongs, like you came in here with it on. But yeah, that's hard. That's tough. How you feel? The hand says it all. Look, I'm telling you, like, that's hard. You gotta see. Yes, see?
Yeah.
It matches, like, it looks like you came in here with it on.
This is
Yeah, this is for sure a cop.
$10.
Is it how much it is?
$10.
Worth it.
And it's
All of this, she's getting all of this for $44. Then you say, like, it came out to 40?
Yes.
Yeah, that's hard. Little
This
dance.
is only $5.
Wow. Yeah. Must cop, everything. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. I just want to give a shout out to Bree. Thank you, Bree, for coming along and seeing what City Thrift has to offer. So you liked it, right? You'll be back. Okay, cool. So we're definitely. So we were already saying that we should do a video in Jackson at one of the Jackson thrift stores. So we'll be back. You'll see Bree again, and I'm gonna, like I said, link her YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram down below. So
make sure you guys follow me. I do follow back. And make sure you guys do subscribe and like some videos. Check me out, and give this video as well a thumbs out and subscribe to my girl channel if you're not subscribed, because what are you doing? All right,
y'all. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Till next time.
We're back a week later. Say hey.
Hi.
Yeah, we're thrifting again, but in Birmingham this time. Oh, bit. Pull it. Alright, I was just playing. Yep. Thanks. Some of the reviews on here was pretty good, pretty decent, so we shall see. This is what I'm looking like. But I'll let you know what we find. So this is what I got right now. It's like $4.95, and if it was $1 over, I probably wouldn't get it. But this is hard and it's affordable. But this place is pretty cool. I wish they had more men's things, more men's stuff. But overall, I mean, it's pretty good. I don't know if I would come back, but I'm glad I came. Please. For 15 cents
Save
today.
a child from this imperfect world
That we've created willingly.
and colonized.
Yeah, so definitely don't have to come back. Racist. Yeah. Black children everywhere. Like, there were pictures everywhere, like pictures of children in a different country. Like, but we got some good stuff. 1 to 10. 1 being trash, never going back. 10 being amazing.
Well, on top of the fact that I don't thrift shop, plus it was trash. It's a negative.
Negative what? Or negative what?
5.
Oh my god. I wouldn't give it that bad. Finally, we got the Louis Vuitton backpack review unboxing. I don't know. I just wanted to show it some more. You guys know what this looks like, but honestly, it's a really, really nice backpack. It actually has a little bit of a crease right here. When you have stuff in it, like, one of the most notable things that I've gotten out of this backpack is when you have a lot of stuff in it, which I tend to have, it doesn't feel like that. And I don't know if this is just like a high-end, high-quality backpack thing, like some inverted technology or something that I'm not aware of. But the fact that this backpack feels similarly when it's empty as it does when it's full is really impressive. The leather is soft to touch. The name of this backpack is not currently something that I can tell you because I need to go get the box. 1 second. So here's the box. And you may be wondering, why did a backpack of this size come in a box of this size? And I was wondering the same thing. I was especially wondering it as I was walking down the streets of New Orleans with a Louis Vuitton box that big. But hey, I'm looking in here so that I can find the receipt. Oh. So I found the receipt. And the name of the bag is Michael NV2. And it's in the graphite color. So they have a navy color and a graphite color. And the navy almost looks black, obviously, but this is black for real. And I wanted something low-key. The original thing that I wanted was the Michael Damier backpack. And I've wanted it since I was like 13. But when I saw it in person, I don't know. It's just, in college, I've seen a lot of fake Louis Vuitton backpacks. I don't know if y'all have seen those Louis Vuitton backpacks that have like Louis Vuitton backpacks that have like the slime at the bottom. I would just see a lot of that, and those backpacks would replicate the backpack that I want. I like how when they came out with the Yeezys, the 350s originally, and then people just kept wearing like the ones that you could get from Walmart, or, you know, the Yeezys that you could get from H&M, or the Yeezys that, you know, so when someone's wearing something that's a knockoff, it taints the original, and that's how I feel. The inside is nothing crazy. Oh, socks in there. I didn't know I had socks in there. But yeah, the inside has a front and a back. It has like a little flap right here. You can't see in there. Smells like a dentist's office. Honestly. That's another thing I was really impressed by. The zip. You know how like on Jan Sports and normal backpacks, you know, the zipper might get caught in the fabric. It's perfectly crafted. Like, it's amazing. So satisfying. Like, these zips. But anyway. Got a little price tag sticker. Don't look. It's just a normal backpack. That's what I'm saying. Like, I really was wondering if this review was even needed, but I wanted to do it, so. But yeah, thank you all for watching that video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. They also gave me this, and the girl wrote her number for me. No, I'm just kidding. She wrote down some restaurants that were good in the New Orleans area, and yeah. But I'm gonna keep this receipt so that if I ever want to sell it, it'll be like an authenticity thing. But I don't plan on selling this backpack anytime soon. I really love it. Please like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. I'll see y'all next time.